If you are looking for an AI image generator in 2026, you have probably heard about Leonardo AI. But is it actually worth using today? In this video, I'll break down its features, pros, cons, pricing, and whether you should use it or not. What is Leonardo AI? Leonardo AI is an AI powered platform that helps you generate high quality images from text prompts. It's mainly used for things like game assets, concept art, social media visuals, and marketing content. What makes it stand out is the level of control you get. Key features: high quality image generation, produces detailed and sharp images, especially in fantasy and realistic styles. Custom models, you can train or use models for a consistent style. Prompt control includes advanced options like negative prompts and guidance scale. Real time canvas, edit and generate images instantly. Built in editing tools, basic editing like background removal without extra software. Ease of use. Leonardo AI is powerful but not the easiest tool for beginners. The interface has many settings which can feel confusing at first. However, once you understand prompts and controls, it becomes much easier to use. Pros: high quality outputs, advanced customization, great for designers and creators, supports custom models, free plan available. Cons: of course, nothing is perfect, and it has some cons. Number one, it's not beginner friendly at first. Daily limits on free plan. Some features require payment, and speed may be inconsistent. Best use cases: Leonardo AI is best for game developers creating assets, designers working on concept art, content creators needing unique visuals, small businesses creating marketing images, and if you just need simple images quickly, it might be more than you need. Pricing: there is a free plan with limited daily tokens. Paid plans unlock more generations, faster speeds, and extra features. Leonardo AI versus competitors. Versus Midjourney, better control but slightly less artistic. Versus DAL-E, more advanced but harder to use. Tips for better results: to get the best results, use detailed prompts, add negative prompts to avoid mistakes, experiment with different models, adjust settings instead of relying on defaults. Small changes can significantly improve your output. Final verdict: Leonardo AI is one of the best tools in 2026. If you want control and high quality visuals, it is not the simplest tool, but it is very powerful once you learn it. If this helped you out, like and subscribe, and let me know down below in the comments, are you using Leonardo AI or planning to try it or not? Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.